Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to design eye-catching social media posts for your products, and I'm sure this step-by-step guide will help you creating a stunning posts in no time. So let's get started. First thing first, open up Adobe Illustrator, go to File, create a new document. For social media post, I recommended using a square canvas, typically 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size works perfectly for platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Click on create. Great. Now that we have our canvas ready, let's start by adding a background. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or even an image. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use a gradient background to make our post pop. Select the rectangle tool and draw a square covering the entire canvas. Then go to the gradient tool on the toolbar and pick a gradient that suits your brand. I'm gonna use a red color, and also you can adjust the color and angle to get the perfect look. Next is time to add our product image. Make sure you have a high quality image of your product with a transparent background, and if you need to remove the background, you can use tools like Adobe Photoshop or online services. Drag and drop your product image onto the canvas, resize and position it where you want it to be. I like to keep my product centered to make it a focal point of the post. Now let's add a shadow to make it more realistic. Go to the effect, stylize, and choose drop shadow. Now click on preview. Opacity around 60%, X offset 1 pixel and Y offset 1 pixel, blur around 15 pixels, and click on OK. Now select the text tool and click on the canvas to start typing. Type your message, and then you can use character panel to adjust the font size and the color. And there you have it, a stunning social media post for your product made entirely in Adobe Illustrator. Remember, the key is to keep experimenting and have a fun with your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumb up and also like and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.